Before you buy Quadient, there are 7 key things you need to know to determine if it's the right choice for your business. In this video, we'll dive into exactly what makes Quadient stand out and where it might fall short compared to its competitors. Stay with me until the end because I'll also share some tips on how to get the best free trial of Quadient, including some exclusive benefits only available through the link below. The first thing to understand about Quadient is that it's a comprehensive solution for businesses that need to handle and streamline customer communications. Unlike some other software that focuses purely on either mailroom automation or customer communication management, Quadient aims to give you a one-stop platform for both. So if you're currently using multiple tools to manage communication and looking for something more integrated, this could be worth exploring. Next thing to consider is its cloud capabilities. Quadient is heavily cloud-based, which is a significant advantage over older, more traditional systems that rely on on-premise hardware. This means you can access your data from anywhere, making it ideal for businesses with remote teams or those operating in multiple locations. Some of its competitors still have slower or more expensive cloud adoption, so if cloud scalability and ease of access are important to you, Quadient has a clear edge. The third thing to note is its advanced automation features. With Quadient, you get an incredibly high level of automation in terms of both mail processing and customer engagement. For example, you can automate direct mail, document printing, and email workflows, saving time, reducing errors, and boosting your efficiency. Some competitors may offer basic automation, but Quadient's full-featured system provides a level of sophistication that's hard to beat. The fourth thing is Quadient's analytics capabilities. If you're not already using data-driven insights to guide your communication strategy, Quadient can give you access to powerful analytics tools that track customer interactions, optimize workflows, and help with decision-making. It's definitely one of the stronger platforms for businesses that want to understand the ROI of their customer communications. A lot of its competitors either lack this depth of insight or require additional integrations, which can be cumbersome. Next, let's talk about Quadient's integration options. If you're already using CRM, ERP, or accounting software, Quadient integrates seamlessly with a variety of platforms. This is crucial because many businesses struggle with software that doesn't play well with their existing tools, leading to data silos and inefficiencies. While some competitors have limited integrations, Quadient supports a wide range of connections, making it more versatile for growing businesses. The sixth thing to be aware of is the pricing model. Quadient does offer competitive pricing, but it's not necessarily the cheapest option out there. It's important to weigh the cost against the features you'll be getting, especially when comparing it to alternatives like Pitney Bowes or Neopost. If your business needs a lot of customization, or if you're a high-volume user, the pricing can be very reasonable for the value it offers. But if you're just starting out or have minimal needs, Quadient might be on the higher end of the spectrum. Finally, the support and customer service you get with Quadient is excellent. They offer extensive training resources, live support, and a dedicated customer success team. This is a huge plus when compared to some other platforms where support can be slow or difficult to navigate. If you run into issues, Quadient's team is known for their responsiveness, which can save you a lot of time and frustration down the road. So, to wrap up, Quadient offers a lot of value, especially if you're looking for an integrated cloud-based solution that combines automation, analytics, and robust integrations. However, it might not be the right fit if you're on a tight budget or don't need the full range of features. If you want to try out Quadient for yourself, click the first link in the description to access the best free trial and some exclusive benefits that you won't find elsewhere.